Ayubowan, Vanakkam, Assalamu alaikum. Hello, I'm Matthew Duckworth. I'm Australia's new High Commissioner to Sri Lanka. I've just arrived, and honestly, I'm thrilled to be here. I've always wanted to experience the energy, beauty, and the rich culture of Sri Lanka firsthand. And now, I'll get to do that while working to strengthen the ties between our two countries. But what does that actually mean? Have you ever wondered, what does a High Commissioner actually do? Let me show you. Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much. This is fantastic. Well, trade, such as what you see here at this market, is at the heart of our economic relationship. And supporting more trade opportunities between our countries is a big part of my job. Now, you may know Australians drink a lot of Sri Lankan tea, but did you know that Sri Lankans love Australian lentils? In fact, 85% of the lentils here in this market are from Australia. We're even helping Sri Lanka become a processing hub for the entire region. Thank you. That's just one tasty example of how we're connected. Then there's education. Australia's proud to partner with Sri Lanka to bring world-class learning to the next generation of Sri Lankans. Together, we're helping build the skills Sri Lanka needs through scholarships, strengthening local training, and supporting cutting-edge campuses like this one, right here in Colombo. So, I'm down here at the port of Colombo, the main gateway to Sri Lanka and the region, and we're working with Sri Lanka to improve the efficiency of its ports and customs, make them smoother and smarter. We're also partners on maritime security, jointly managing 5,000 kilometres of our shared ocean, making the whole region safer for everyone. So Australia is a long-standing development partner for Sri Lanka. Just this year, we're committing $26 million to supporting communities across every province. Thank you. Hello. Hello. Wow. For example, we're working with government, growers, processors, exporters and entrepreneurs to unlock the potential of Sri Lanka's coffee sector, building sustainable livelihoods right here in Sri Lanka. Thank you. And a great cup of coffee. And of course, we have our deep cultural, sporting and community ties, including the 200,000 people of Sri Lankan heritage who call Australia home and the thousands of Australian tourists who will visit Sri Lanka this year. And as we all know, nothing brings Australians and Sri Lankans together like beating India in the cricket. Am I allowed to say that? As we all know, nothing brings Australians and Sri Lankans together like a good, friendly game of cricket. Thank you. At the heart of it all, it's about people, and I'm here to listen, learn, and help deepen this great relationship between our two nations. Hello, hello. Well, that's just a taste of what I'll be up to at the Australian High Commission in Colombo. If you'd like to know more, you can follow us for more exciting updates on the Australia-Sri Lanka relationship. Bahoma Istuti, Nunri, and see you around. These are the lentils from Australia, right? Hari Marahai.